sector professional, I know the regulations and processes. Financing decisions are taken in corporate boardrooms or government policy tables. What am I going to learn here?
Infrastructure financing decisions are strategic. It's more than just compliance. It's more than just whether the loan meets policy. It's about value enhancement. It's about capital allocation. It's how all the elements related to the project lead to long-term value creation and return on equity.
Finance is all about numbers. I am not good at it. Why should I attend it?
Infrastructure is language of risk. Numbers are just the reflection of contracts. In this program, participants will learn risk allocation. They will learn how to see red flags, how to ask so what questions. For example, a financial analyst may say that there is 12% return in this project. But a leader would ask if it is enough to compensate for the 30-year-long political risk in a highway project. Infrastructure projects fail not because of bad math, but because of bad strategy.
There is so much content online I can read. Why commit to attend classes?
It does not happen very often that an academic institution partners with an international organization to come up with a tailor-made program for professionals. In hybrid mode, participants get the opportunity to soak in the content and information through the case studies and readings. Then they get to participate in class discussions and get the insights. And field visit is an added advantage where they get to see the scale and magnitude of the complexities of these large projects. Learning a tool is one thing, but when your peer says in class that they tried it 3 years ago and it didn't work, that's where the real learning